Hello, everyone. When nature unleashes its fury, all we can do is seek shelter and hope for the best. Today, you're about to witness earthquakes, floods, and storms tearing through everything in their path. A flash flood erupted with unbelievable force, sweeping everything away in a matter of moments. Can you even recognize what city this used to be? Prolonged heavy rain can increase water flow and pressure. The incident on New Zealand's South Island shows why monitoring weather alerts and infrastructure is so crucial. This moment is not only shocking, it raises a big question. Is our infrastructure truly ready for extreme events?
Hey, what the 107? 107 highway go.
Don't forget to hit subscribe to continue the journey through today's most jaw-dropping moments of nature's wrath.
This is my neighbour's place. Check these spiders out, oh my god.
As the flood approached a family's garage in Maxville, suddenly became a safe haven for hundreds of tiny creatures escaping the rising water.
Oh my god.
This is truly one in a billion moments in nature. Don't come close if you see this. Tag a friend who's planning a summer camping trip in Scotland. The mosquito situation is way beyond your control. By the way, what device are you watching this unbelievable moment on? And just like that, a parking lot turns into a free car wash in the middle of a storm.
I've seen some really creepy stuff.
Look at that under nature's magic touch. The flying broom from Harry Potter comes to life.
Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un.
Massive waves hit Southern California, turning a familiar fun spot into a danger zone in seconds.
Марк, иди сюда.
Large hail can quickly accumulate and cause flash flooding. Scenes from Italy clearly show the impact of intense storms. How long did it take you to realize that was actually a storm drain in flooded Park Slope, Brooklyn? In Ayrshire, powerful winds shattered wind turbine blades, showing how extreme wind can exceed engineering limits. Around Lake Childer, dense swarms of green flies rose into the air, creating chaos like a tornado made of insects. A swarm of locusts suddenly filled a parking lot in Las Vegas, a rare scene in the heart of the city. In Metro Manila, river levels rose due to a storm, sending barges and boats crashing into a bridge, complete chaos along the riverbank. In Metro Manila, river levels rose due to a storm, sending barges and boats crashing into a bridge, complete chaos along the riverbank. Water abruptly changed course on Bijou Boulevard, disrupting the daily routine, but quick support brought things back to safety. Whether you're watching on your phone, TV, or computer, thank you for being with us. Thankfully, people evacuated in time before the house collapsed under the power of the rushing water. How did you feel watching the historic landslide at the Atami Izu Resort in Shizuoka, Japan?
Crazy.
Like it had been awakened, Moon and brook surged back to life, carrying mud and memories of rainy seasons past in the Hunter region.
That hit that dead tree.
Monsoon rains caused flash floods in Apache Junction, turning once familiar roads into raging rivers in no time.
I'm videoing.
We must understand that living near rivers and streams means always staying alert for flood warnings and having an early evacuation plan in place.
Take my house, I think. Oh no.
You should strap down, Jess.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh! Oh!
Your like helps spread the wonder. This moment shows just how thin the line is between humans and nature, where awareness and respect are not optional. I was stunned by the moment when fire and water coexisted, a reminder of all we still don't fully understand about nature. High in the Yemeni highlands, clouds didn't drift above, they bowed low, touching the earth like a quiet gesture from the sky. A spectacular geyser eruption in Iran shocked the scene awake with raw energy from deep within the earth. Thank you for watching. Leave your thoughts below and choose a video or playlist on screen to keep exploring. See you next time on 1 in a Billion Moments in Nature.